Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to use auto clicker on iPhone. So in this video I'm going to walk you through step-to-step guide on how you can make your phone to tap or click itself while you are not clicking it. So I'm just going to walk you through some steps. So the first thing you have to do is open up your settings. Once you open your settings, then you have something like this on your screen. Then you scroll down to accessibility, tap on the accessibility, then scroll down a little, then under face ID and attention, tap on the switch control under it. Then under the switch control, tap on switches. So under the switches, tap on full screen. I'll tap on full screen. Alright, I'm coming. Alright, good. So under the switches, tap on hard switches, then you can tap on screen. Then under the screen, tap on full screen, then scroll down a little, then make sure you tap this option called tab. So once you tap, when you set the tab option for the full screen, then go back. Then under switches, under recipes, tap on recipes, then create a new recipes. So you just have to create a new recipes by the name, the name. So I'm just going to name my recipes clicker. Let's just call it clicker. Okay, clicker. Alright, good. Once tap on clicker, then for you to make this switch, then you have to align a switch. Add a align switch, then tap on full screen. Then right here, you're going to tap on custom gesture. So that is where you're going to set the auto clicker. So you just tap on the same spot where you want the click. Once you do that, then tap on save. Then you can see that your full screen has been sent. Your full screen has been spent into gesture. Then tap on recipe. Then make sure you enable the recipe, which is the clicker. Make sure you enable it. Good. So make sure you launch it. Make sure you launch the recipe. Tap on it, then tap on clicker for it to launch the recipe. Then once you do that, then you go back, then under accessibility again, then you scroll down to shortcut, accessibility shortcut. Then from there, then you turn on the switch control. Then right now, anytime you want to use the auto clicker, just double tap 3 times on your volume button. Then your phone will click itself. Or you can also double tap on the screen 3 times. Then your phone will switch. Then the auto clicker gesture will be activated, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.